What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Tommy Hilfiger video, Y2K edition. Y2K as in the early 2000s.
Welcome.
If you guys didn't know this, I'm actually a millennial, number one. But number two, I'm obsessed with the early 2000s music and fashion. If you follow me on TikTok, you probably already know that. But if you don't, now you do. But today, I have 3 packages of Tommy Hilfiger essentials from the early 2000s that I will be sharing with you guys today. I'm super excited because, you guys, I was a child in the early 2000s, so I didn't have a job to purchase my own things. Now as a grown man, I can buy whatever the heck I want. So I got some throwback pieces today, guys, that are very fun and totally in style right now with today's trends. And they're Tommy Hilfiger, so how cool is that? If you love Tommy Hilfiger, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, follow my Tommy Hilfiger appreciation page known as the House of Hilfiger, and get ready for a great Tommy experience. If you're interested, then keep on watching. I hope you're ready for one of the best Tommy Hilfiger hauls on the internet, on YouTube most importantly. And I have to say, I have not been this excited for a Tommy Hilfiger haul on this channel since last week. I pretty much do a Tommy Hilfiger video on this channel on a weekly basis. I really do. Honestly, it's not pretty much, I do. Which, with that being said, if you love Tommy Hilfiger, please subscribe. Again, I would love your company. I don't really know which package I want to open up first, but I'm thinking I'm going to go with the more obvious Y2K piece, which is in this bag right here. So basically, these pieces are from the capsules of the early 2000s, and I've searched long and far on the internet for really like dominant pieces from the early 2000s, like pieces that are known within the fashion industry. And I feel like I found some very great pieces. This one right here though is something that I won in an auction. Obviously, I'm always like bidding for stuff Tommy Hilfiger related on this channel. And it's kind of like an obsession. I feel like right before I go to bed, my way of like meditating is online shopping for Tommy Hilfiger. It's a little unhealthy, but it is my way of de-stressing, so I cope with it, I deal with it. All right, so we have a shirt here, guys. This is not just any shirt. Oh my God. First off, I love gray. Gray is beautiful. This is in beautiful condition. So we see the vintage Tommy Hilfiger tag right there. It's the logo, Tommy Jeans. This is the front of the shirt. Very simple, very just, you know, minimal. We preach. But there's a T right there, right on the bottom. On the back, we have the H, so Tommy Hilfiger. But on the sleeve, this is what sold me right here. It says Y2K Tommy Hilfiger jeans right there. How sick is that? And this is basically brand new. I'm super like shook at how brand new this basically is. There's no stains, there's no tears, and this is in mints. This is minty. This is in mint condition. I'm loving it. I don't even know if I'm ever going to wear this, to be honest. I feel like this is a piece to just put away within the Tommy vault and hold on to this and cherish it forever. I may wear it once or twice, but yes, I love it. This honestly was a bit expensive, of course. I mean, this is from early 2000s right here, but this is insane. This is a beautiful piece and my size. So yeah, score. This is sick. One cool detail that's on this shirt is around the letters, it has this weird little like embossing. I don't know what you want to call that, but it looks kind of trippy. And that's like one thing that has me obsessed with the early 2000s. Just how like fluid and fun and expressive the early 2000s fashion is for men and for women. I feel like there was just so many trends that was just fun. It was such a time period where people just went with it and experimented more or less. And that's why I feel like right now with this era that's going on, people are just having fun with fashion and doing like out of the norm style things, which is something I obviously appreciate. And I say that a lot on this channel. When it comes to fashion, I shop in the men's section, I shop in the women's section, sometimes I even shop in the kids section. You know what I mean? If you're skinny,
whatever, don't judge me.
First piece down, guys, and this is a keeper. I'm super excited about this one. I did find multiple on this online, so I found this piece on eBay. And I found a couple other ones on like Poshmark, I think. So there was a few of this. If you guys are interested, hit me up and maybe I'll help you out with searching for it. But that is a beautiful piece. Next up, you guys, this is I believe a Poshmark find that I got. This one took a while to come in the mail. I was gonna do this haul like a month ago, but this took a bit to come, so I was waiting for everything to gather. And now we have a beautiful Y2K Tommy haul. So I need scissors. I think this is probably the most excited I am out of all the pieces because this is something that I really see in style right now. And I was one of those people that was like never into these kind of hats, but I'm seeing them everywhere. And even on 𝗬𝗏𝗍𝗫𝗀𝒠.com, there's a lot of these hats. So I wanted a vintage one. I wanted one that was not what everybody wears today. So I got this Tommy Hilfiger bucket hat, denim bucket hat. Oh my God. This is amazing. Tommy works with so many music artists, and I remember back in the day, I think it was like either the late 90s or early 2000s, there was a girl group called Black, BLAQUE.
Oh baby, bring it all to me. Baby, bring it all to me.
I used to love them, and I believe one of them had a hat very similar to this on like a Tommy Hilfiger marketing campaign, and since then, I was not able to forget about it. So now I have it, and I love this, you guys. This is beautiful. This is sick. The detail in this hat is amazing. Tommy Hilfiger logo is right there, right on the side. We have some red stitching. I like the denim phrase right here. This is what it looks like on the inside, and this is basically new. I can't believe this. A part of me wants to like disinfect this before I put it on. Okay, we should be good. I did a little cleansing. We had a cleansing moment. Tommy jeans right there, guys. There's the logo, and this is just insane. Like, the condition of this is basically new. I'm hoping I can pull this off. I have like an oval head, so like I usually can pull off most hats. Not gonna lie, not to toot my own horn, but I don't know if I can pull off a bucket. And I feel like these style hats are more for people with round heads or football heads. But we're gonna give it a shot, so let's do it. You guys are gonna witness this together with me. First experience, first impressions. What are we thinking? I don't know how to style this. This is different. This is definitely not something that I would normally wear. It's totally outside my comfort zone. But again, that's what the early 2000s and now is all about. Stepping outside your comfort zone and having fun with fashion. So I don't think this is the type of shirt to wear this with. Maybe it is, if you want to spice it up a little bit. But how do we feel, honestly? Sound off in the comment sections. Let me know what you think. I don't know if this is really the hat for me, but I am going to try to make it work. On to the last piece, guys. The hat has me taken by surprise because I think I like it. I think I'll be editing this video and I'll probably be like, what the heck? Absolutely not.
No.
Or not. Who knows? Maybe I'll like it. I'll only know when I'm editing the video and hear from you guys, your feedback. So be honest. I can take it. I really can. Okay, so this is another eBay piece. No, this is from shopgoodwill.com. Wow, you guys. So we have a piece that I won from an auction on eBay, Poshmark, and shopgoodwill.com. We have 3 treats today. This is crazy. So this one I got for $5. That's cheaper than a $5 footlong. That's kind of crazy. And this also looked beautiful online. As you can see, we have some argyle going on. This is a Tommy Hilfiger sweater vest. I love myself a good sweater vest, and I see they're everywhere right now. There's actually one on Tommy's website that it kind of looks like a tank top, but it's a sweater. It's $40 on sale, and I can't get myself to pay that for a sweater vest, knowing that there's like $5 ones out there. Love Tommy, but I can't go broke. So yeah, that one's beautiful though. So check that one out. The color's amazing. And I love the leaves in the front. Leaves. In the front, it says H for Hilfiger. And there's like a crest with 1985. How beautiful is this? We have orange, we have navy, we have white, we have this beautiful slate color blue. Oh my goodness, the back is solid. And this is a size large. I thought this is gonna fit perfect. I'm planning wearing sweater vests this summer, just like the vest. If I'm in enough shape, hopefully I will have the bod to rock this without anything underneath. That'd be really sick. That's a vibe. That's a look that I'm going for and I'm hoping to achieve. So this is my motivation. How beautiful though, guys. This is a sick, sick piece. I love this. I would try it on, but I want to clean this before I wear it. So that's not going to happen yet. Plus, I don't want to embarrass myself. Like I said, I have not been working out. So I am super, super excited with all of my purchases, you guys, from the hats to the sweater vest to the actual Y2K shirt that says Y2K on it. They're all actual Y2K early 2000s pieces, but this one says it on their shirts. So there's no arguing that. You guys, this is one of my favorite Tommy Hilfiger hauls that I've ever done. I, again, am a huge admirer of the early 2000s, and this was so much fun. If you guys are familiar with anything that's on the market that is, you know, of this vibe, of this nature, let me know. DM me on Instagram. Do not forget, with that being said, to follow the House of Hilfiger on Instagram. It's my Tommy appreciation page. I basically post a lot of my collection, some looks that are new, some pieces I want. I also feature people that are within the Tommy community. So if you tag the account as well as hashtag House of Hilfiger, I'd be happy to feature you. Again, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I would love your company. You can't forget to click the notification bell. That's very important. If you don't click the bell, it means you're not gonna be notified whenever I upload a new video. So you don't wanna miss that. Click the bell, guys. Super important. Also, my personal Instagram is right here at @𝗏𝗏 if you want to follow me in there as well. My Tommy Hilfiger playlist is on here. All my Tommy Hilfiger videos, there's hours worth of contents, guys. Contents. Yeah, contents, I suppose. So check that out. But that's it, guys. That's a wrap. Thank you so much again. Until next time, as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.